What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day in the life with Speedy Gons. If you're new here, my name's Josh. I cover all content on my M235i. Today I got an exciting one for you guys. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know I've done part of my reveals. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me there. I have a few more things coming, like today with the new diffuser. Before I reveal what I've done, it's just been a long time coming. I'm super excited. So yeah, let's get started with the diffuser. So I went with the Performance Diffuser. I know what you guys are thinking. Why would I do that when I have a perfectly good, perfectly just absolutely gorgeous RW carbon fiber diffuser, which looks absolutely spectacular. The reason I did this was because, one, made a new friend on Instagram who absolutely hooked me up with a spectacular deal I couldn't say no to. It's actually a funny story. I have a friend who I met in Jersey a while back. We just became friends over time. She ended up moving out to Colorado. Recently started dating this new kid who, I mean, that's cool. I like to see my friends happy. He had the same car as me, ironically. So it was just cool to follow each other on Instagram, whatever. Then he randomly hit me up one day letting me know he was parting out his car. He's about to sell his F22, thinking about getting an M2 competition. And I was like, that's freaking awesome, man. We just got to talking. He actually helped me out on some side skirts that I've been looking for, so I appreciate that. But then he let me know he was selling his Performance Diffuser, which I really wasn't interested at the time. He had let me know that his was a little bit messed up, so he was willing to let it go for cheap. But then he also mentioned that because his car was on warranty, he could take it back to the dealer, get a whole brand new one, and ship that out to me. And when he told me the price, I was like, oh, damn it, dude. You're really going to make me do this? I can't say no to that. So I got a spectacular deal. So my new friend, Bobby, can't complain. Appreciate it, man. Can't complain. It's a beautiful deal. So we got the Performance Diffuser because it's just gonna match a little bit better to the theme of what I'm doing right now. So I guess you guys got to stay tuned to see what else is in store. So let's get installing. Alright, so first impression, I definitely like the carbon fiber better. It just seems to always be so dirty and it's super hard to keep clean, being that I'm not trying to clean the car every single day. So I definitely like the carbon fiber better. It's just this is going to go a little bit better with the theme of what I'm doing right now. So I have an interested buyer, another friend on Instagram. I've been talking to him. I just honestly think it's so cool that this car is giving me such a platform to make friends, to work with people, to learn. So I have a buyer for the diffuser. But I don't know, I love the carbon fiber. I don't know if I can part ways with it. Being that, one, I just obviously like having options. And I'm most likely going to change this eventually. Just for now, it fits the theme of what I'm doing and what I'm going to continue to do. So you guys will see that shortly. But yeah, all in all, fitment's definitely better than the RW carbon diffuser. Maybe I just didn't want to bang it in too hard. There was just a few spots on the carbon diffuser, like up in here, that didn't fit as perfectly and flush as this one does. Obviously, that's what you get with OEM. So kind of at a point in my journey with the car that I'm really just all about OEM. I was online the other day, pretty bored at work, and I found myself just looking at OEM screens. Not that I dislike my Avon screen, but something just about OEM was just the way to go. So yeah, I'm liking the OEM diffuser. It fits the theme very well, and it looks good. Just a big shout out to Stormtrooper M235i on Instagram. He did the vinyl white stripes on his car, and I told him, I asked him what he did, and he said he put vinyl on his car, and I was like, damn it dude, I'm gonna have to steal your idea. He said go for it, and I think the white stripes in the diffuser look pretty good. So yeah, I'm content. Change is good. Alright, so we are currently en route to go get some photos of the car, the new diffuser, and make a little cinematic, do my reveal. Like I had mentioned prior, if you follow me on Instagram, I've posted a couple pictures of the reveal. So I'm definitely excited. It's something long overdue. It looks absolutely spectacular. So yeah, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, definitely go follow me there. I got a few more things coming, hopefully before the new year, which that's next week. So we'll see. We'll see if everything comes in the mail in time, but yeah, we're heading over to a local park right now. Hopefully it's quiet. It's about 10 a.m. right now, so prime time shooting. Hopefully not too many cars. It is Saturday morning right now, so who knows, maybe we got some soccer games. I don't know. This is where a park I grew up playing soccer at when I was a kid. A lot of good memories tearing up those soccer fields with my friends. Alright, so there you have it. The new M2 replica style bumper. I gotta give a huge shout out to Aeroplug for hooking me up with this bumper. Not only hooking me up with a Black Friday deal, they also paint match it for me. And if I told you the price, it was just a spectacular price that I really just couldn't say no to. I had mentioned I wanted to do this on the channel a few times actually, as for those of you following the channel, I didn't really love the front bumper. I said that multiple times, and I actually didn't really plan to get a new bumper. And then Aeroplug offered, you know, a Black Friday deal where they posted an Instagram post where they asked, you know, what should we offer as deals? And I just happened to see that as they posted it. I commented on it. They gave me a price, and I said, oh, dude, you guys are going to do me like that? And I can't say no to that. And all of a sudden, I got a new bumper, but I'm so content. I'm super grateful for it. So big shout out to Aeroplug. Definitely go check them out on Instagram. I'll leave their link to the website right here. And then also for the reveal, I recently added the OEM side stripes to the rocker panels and the OEM like bottom side skirts that I paint match myself. It actually looks pretty good in pictures and videos, but when you look at it up close and personal, when you're right there in front of the car, you can see someone like myself who's never painted anything a day in their life painted it. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look that great. It is what it is. It's my build, so I'm content with it. I did it myself for the first time, so I'm content. I also added the OEM side stripes, so I just added a little flair, so something, just the little things, but I got a few more things coming, and then yeah, the build is almost complete. It's crazy to say. For future plans, I definitely got to get a new intercooler soon, and I definitely want to get a new exhaust by summertime. But that's on the agenda. I got a few more things coming in the mail over the next couple days, so stay tuned. There's a few more reveals, and I appreciate you guys watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.